So back again here now for 9 days this time. Obviously last time was about 2.5 weeks ago. We had Pete over with us, obviously helping me do this roof. End up doing loads of stonework and stuff, which you've obviously seen in the previous video. This time I got Mel and the kids with me, so I got my little helper with me down here. She's helping me today. Mel's out cutting grass. So plan for these 9 days is to get this roof, not tiles on, but get the roof so I can get to maybe have rafters on, hopefully. But obviously I've got to replace this beam here, and then obviously put beams to go across to obviously make a floor, and then I can then move up. And then this section here, got to take that out and then obviously rebuild all that corner there with stone. When Pete was here, we did get the ridge beam set up, which is all the way up there. So that's all now set in the wall here, and it's then cemented on this side of there. 6 meters long, so quite a chunky bit of wood, and we're 7 meters high, so that took some going to get that out. 3 of us lifting it up. Obviously I've got purlins to put in. You've got to see one purlin just sitting there. Got another 2 purlins to put this side, and then there's another one to go at the other side. Obviously the main thing is today is to today and tomorrow, if I can get this flooring in, that'll make life a lot easier, because I can then work off that flooring. So we've had our delivery of wood today from the local builders merchants that we use. A good bunch of lads. So all my wood sitting out there. Real nice guy, helps me unloads and does everything that I need him to do. Although my French is obviously very limited of what we say, but we still manage to talk about things. So that's the plan. Hopefully by the end of this trip we'll have rafters on, and then obviously the new doorway that's there currently at the moment needs to be moved over, and then obviously re-stone put up where we've got that big gaping hole there, ready to then start the next roof. Daddy. So I hope you enjoy the video, and I'll put a time lapse so it goes a bit quicker, and see you soon. So the joints, so these are the joints. You have to cut this in, both bits of timber, and then attach this wedge, and then when you, this side is going to sit into this one, and then what you do then is you then drive this wedge in, and it pushes one beam that way and then one beam that way. It makes it all tight on the ends. and these are 4 metres long. You'll see when I get in there. But all the floor is in, beam is all in. There's a lot left to do in the mornings. I've adjusted all the heights and got all my heights now right, but I've just got obviously just cement those in with a bit of lime mortar tomorrow and stonework. Get those up, probably get Mel to do those, to be fair. But it is all level, straight, true, all the way across. Just got to board it up, and then yeah, a working platform, and I'll crack on with this corner of the stonework.